Do you want to know the secret to earn passive income with affiliate marketing? I've got you covered. It's all about leveraging the power of email marketing. I'm Justina, and I'm going to give you 6 steps on how to do this. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways that you can earn passive income with promoting affiliate products or services that you recommend. But how do you use email marketing for affiliate marketing? Let me show you how. Step 1, segment your email list. Segmenting your email list means that you divide the list based on behaviors or interests within your email group. This allows you to send targeted emails that are more likely to convert into sales, which is pretty awesome because then you earn more passive income. Step number 2, create a welcome email series. So what are welcome emails? This is a series that This is a series of emails that your customers get over a period of time. Use these emails to introduce yourself, teach something to your customers, but also to promote your affiliate products and services. Step number 3, provide value in every email. Don't just send out promotional emails. Send out emails that have resources, helpful tips, discounts, any advice that you can give your customers. Add real value within your emails. By giving them this advice, these tips, you're able to build trust within your customers. So when then you do send a promotional email, they're more likely to click on the links for the affiliate products and services that you are promoting. Step 4, and this is key, make sure you are tracking your links. Each affiliate product or service will have a unique tracking link from your merchant, and make sure yours has that. So these links are what help you earn commissions. They track your audience and link up your commission account with what your audience is purchasing. I just spit. Can you see that on camera when I just spit? Okay. It was just like, beep. It was like perfect. Step number 5 is strategy. Promote your affiliate products and services strategically. Don't just send out a whole bunch of affiliate links. Make sure you think your plan through. Send out links that provide value to your audience. Now also mix this up with different text, images, advice, tips, and this will really add value to your customer, and they're more likely to click on the links that you provide. For example, you can make a how-to video. You can show how to purchase the product, how to use the product, and this will just add more value within your content. Step number 6 is all about making it easy. Use automation to streamline your efforts. Use tools such as GetResponse to set up an automated system that sends emails to very specific people within your email list. This saves you loads of time and ensures that your emails are timely and relevant. We know email marketing is a really powerful tool for affiliate marketers. So this is why I'm giving you these steps to help you use it even more, to utilize its full potential. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing, please comment below. We'd love to answer them. Obviously, this wouldn't be a YouTube video if I didn't say hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon. And happy affiliate marketing. Bye! 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 Okay. Use tools like GetResponse to set up automated emails.